Hey guys, how's it going? I just want to do a quick review for you guys on the LUCID 4-inch folding mattress. And I should mention too that I found a pretty good deal on this, and I'll throw a link in the description below so you guys can check that out. So this is kind of a unique product. It's a folding foam mattress. It can kind of work as a bed, obviously. It can work as a chair or a couch too. In my opinion, it's great for like dorms and kids' rooms, things like that. Now, you can use it absolutely as a normal mattress. Obviously, that's not kind of the reason you would buy it, but it can also be used as a mattress topper as well. It comes vacuum sealed in a big bag, shipped to your door. Took about, they say 48 hours. I'd say you could use it in less than that. There was no smell to it or anything like that, like some of them have. One thing I was kind of surprised about was how good the quality was. I kind of didn't expect a very good quality mattress for this price, but it was surprisingly good. It felt very comfortable. The foam on it was, it's a little, it wasn't like a typical memory foam, like where you just sink into it. It was a little firmer, maybe, I guess you could say. But still, you could feel like the memory effect to it. Very comfortable though. It has a fabric cover built onto it, so you don't have to really like buy a like a mattress pad or anything like that. It feels like it's like stain resistant too. It must have some kind of like a coating, but it's not like uncomfortable or anything like that. And it can be removed and washed as well. It does come with a carrying handle, which works good. And yeah, I would say this is a great thing for like dorms because you can turn it into a couch and also use it as a bed in a pinch. Great for kids' playrooms, things like that. You can put it in the back of your truck for camping. I know a lot of people said that they were going to use it for camping, which I think that would work fine. But anyway, yeah, if you have any questions about it, just leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.